Hey guys, welcome to STEAM Saturdays. My name is Miss Alex. Today we got a short one for you. We're going to be doing chromatography butterflies. In this next slide, I'm going to show you all the stuff you need. For this project, what you'll need are scissors, clear cups, and water. You'll need washable markers, coffee filters. String is optional if you want to hang your butterflies. And you'll also need pipe cleaners. You're going to cut them in half though, so you don't need that many. So first you're going to take one of your coffee filters and you're going to take some washable markers and you're going to start drawing on your coffee filter. I didn't realize I had two, so I'll have to throw that one away. I'm doing a swirly pattern here on my first coffee filter. Go ahead and do whatever design you want. Just go ahead and experiment and see what works, what doesn't, which ones come out with the coolest colors and designs. Now I'm folding it up. You fold it in half and then in half once more. So you have it in like a little pizza shape. So what I'm doing off camera is I'm grabbing my clear cups and some water. So you don't need as much as I have in that first one. As you can see, I've learned that I'm doing less water in the cup. And what you want to have in your cup is enough water just so that the tip of your pizza slice coffee filter is touching the water. Make sure there's no ink touching the water. That's really important. So as I'm working on my next coffee filter design, you can see in the background, I did another coffee filter off camera. The one on the right is an orange one. And you can already see that the ink is starting to run up the coffee filters. This is exactly what you want to see. So you're going to want to give these a couple minutes to get them to rise. You may want them to rise to the top a little bit. And with this one, you can see I'm experimenting with more colors, a bigger pattern. So this is really where you want to just experiment and use your creativity and your mind to come up with something that's going to look really cool when you're finished. Also, make sure you have working markers. As you can see, I'm testing out a bunch because my markers are very old. So make sure you have working markers that are very vibrant. Again, we're going to fold them in half. Make sure you fold them twice in half and then half again so you get a little pizza-shaped coffee filter. Another whoopsie I made, you can see on the table that I got some marker on my table. The markers will bleed through to the surface you're using underneath. So you want to make sure you grab like newspaper or a paper plate, something so that the ink won't stain whatever you're working on. A step that I didn't show is once the ink gets to the top of the coffee filter, you're going to want to take it out of the cup, set it aside on some paper towels for it to dry. Once your coffee filter has dried and you've got the ink right at the edges like you want, you're going to scrunch up right in the middle of that coffee filter so that you will get what will be two wings evenly on each side. Now take the pipe cleaner that you've cut in half and wrap it around the scrunchy part in the middle. Once you have your two ends that are meeting together, you're going to twist them a couple times, kind of like you see bread ties when you get a new loaf of bread. You're going to do this for each of your coffee filters when they're dry and finished. And you just fluff up the wings a bit, get your antennas right where you want them, and then you're finished. And your chromatography butterfly is all ready and done. And now's the time where you can get your string if you like, and you can hang them up.